So today I want to see what is inside of the batteries. This is my battery for my aircon remote. So now I will try to use the 3D to disassemble the batteries. Okay, for the battery, you can see the positions like minus and plus. So this is the minus negative terminals, and this is the positive terminals. And this is the parts name of the batteries. Positive is carbon rose calcium. Okay, so it is very detailed, all the accessory, all the component of the batteries. Okay, you can see all the picture inside step by step. Okay, now go to another photo. Okay, please read it step by step, like number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Like number 1 is position terminal. It might like a positive terminal, and it all described in the text also. Steel can negative terminals. It is very good and very easy to understand. This is I use AI to describe it for me. Okay, very good. And this part, it is about the remote control for LG televisions. So we disassemble and we want to see what is inside. So all are detailed about the component inside of this. So it is useful that we can understand and we can use. So if in this part it error, and then we can check the parts name parts by parts, we can find it at any store that supply the accessories of this remote. So it is useful that we can know all the parts clearly.